on the rig. We're running riser, and you have to walk out. You got the lanyard on, you're tied off, and got your yo-yo. And as I was hooking up, I said, hey, this needs to be fixed because it was pulling me. Somebody up above them was breathing down, always breathing down your neck, and that's not a good thing. And my AD told me to do it. I just went on and done my job, pushed the cables around. But once I got over there, it snatched me. And then when it snatched, from what I remember, I swung and I remember hitting the wall. Not me, unconscious. A buddy of mine said he'd come back. He just seen me dangling. He said, man, I thought you was dead, man. That was pretty much it. They called the medevac in, and they medevaced me off the rig and at the hospital. Every test, MRIs, everything. I mean, I was there for hours, going, and they said they could not find nothing. I just figured it was from being knocked out, that I've never been knocked out before. We get home, and I'm falling over. I fell over and broke our flat screen TV, like something ain't right here. Went to this other doctor, and he done like a 3-dimensional x-ray, and then he come back in, and I'm like, so I'm good to go back to work, right? He's like, no, you need surgery. I don't know what could happen if you don't have the surgery. Company calls, they told me to be back at work in a week, and I said, are you serious, man? And they was like, yeah, I need you back here work in a week. I was like, oh, there's no way you can go back to work. I told me I have to have surgery. The company called, said you're terminated. And so I was like, well, oh, all right. So that's when we started looking. I found Zehl Associates. I don't know, God, I believe in my heart, God said these are the people you need to use. Made a phone call, talked to Mr. Mike, some other people, and they asked me what happened. I told them. They said, we got you. Don't worry about it. Sent me some paperwork, fill it out, email it back. I could call any of y'all anytime, and y'all would pick the phone up. It's nice to have somebody that says, we got your back. When you have somebody fighting for you and they tell you just relax, we're going to get you here, we're going to get you there, we're going to get you the doctors you need. I mean, good doctors. Y'all had done wonders for me. I can't thank y'all enough. You have no idea. If somebody gets injured, I hope nobody does, but people will get hurt out there anywhere. I've been offshore 15 years. Never had a lawyer that knew what you knew. That's his specialty. Because I have a friend of mine who called and said, hey man, something's happened. I told him they need to give you Zehl Associate a call, especially you're the man. He didn't hurt like that. My life's changed. We needed that money. We wasn't getting anything. I thank you. And you just don't know how much you've helped my family. Not with the money is awesome, but being there for me and my family, that meant something to me, Y'all never took your gloves off. And y'all fought for me. Y'all never backed down.